Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome to Anlex TV, where flavor meets soul. My name is Annie B, and you read the caption. In today's video, we're making a nice Caribbean spiced air-fried chicken breast. Very simple recipe, but super flavorful with the spices that we'll be using today. I love the air fryer. Look how juicy that is. Look at that. Oh, so juicy, nice and golden. Love the air fryer, love chicken breast. Pretty much love a lot of things in the air fryer, so let's get into this very simple and easy, delicious recipe. Ain't nothing to it but to get into it. Here I'm just cleaning my chicken in some cold water and lime. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some soy sauce. We're going to develop some nice flavor now. We're going to add some ground black pepper. How's everybody doing? I hope you all are doing well. Yes, I do. We're adding some ground ginger. Thank you all for tuning into this video. We're adding some onion powder. Let me know some other air fryer recipes that you guys would want me to try. Then we have some garlic powder, paprika, and it might seem like a lot of seasonings because it kind of is, but all these seasonings go very, very nicely together. Then we have some ground cloves, some ground allspice, ground coriander. I have to hide in the bathroom to do these voiceovers. My son just came busting in here. Anyway, I have some Italian seasoning. Oh, here he is again. What's up? I'm telling you, when you have kids, you're not even safe in the bathroom, okay? I added some salt, and now we're adding a little bit of vegetable oil. Give that a good mix. Make sure all your chicken is coated with all those delicious seasonings. Yes, I love Caribbean spices. I'm so biased. My parents are Jamaican. My two oldest sisters are Jamaican. We grew up with these spices, and so it's one of my favorite. But I love all types of cuisines, though. All types. All right, so now we're placing this in the air fryer. I'm going to do 2 batches because I actually had a big pack of chicken breast. And it's on 350 for 20 minutes. I'm just going to flip it halfway through. And that's what I'm doing right here. This is so simple. This is perfect for like salads or some chicken wraps, whatever. You can eat this with some rice, some broccoli. You can make a stir fry with it with broccoli. It's just very simple, but the flavors were so aromatic, earthy, and just absolutely, definitely delicious. And look how good this looks. Look how this came out. Look at that. Look at that. And it was so juicy. Lexi took a bite and she was like, oh my goodness. She was like, it's so juicy. Came out great. Really, really nice. Look at that. I love chicken breasts. It's my favorite part of the chicken. I know a lot of people don't like chicken breast because they feel like it gets dry. But I love chicken breast. I love the taste of the breast. And I think my other favorite is the chicken leg. But anywho, thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know if you would try this recipe down in the comment section below. What are some recipes that you like to make in the air fryer? Give me some interesting, fun recipes that I can try out in the air fryer. I thank you all for tuning in. God bless and peace.